Hello, everyone. I'm Victoria, VLC's digital assistant, and I'm excited to invite you to an inspiring event happening soon at VLC. On Saturday, December 6th, we'll be hosting our workshop for leaders of parent groups, a one-day interactive session designed to help those who guide parents help their children succeed. This workshop is ideal for PTA leaders, parent group facilitators, and community educators who want to strengthen family engagement in learning. Together, we'll explore practical, research-based ways to support parents in building daily reading and study habits at home. You'll also learn simple techniques for creating engaging sessions that motivate parents and build their confidence. Your investment of $175 provides for breakfast, lunch, and workshop materials. Each participant will receive a parent support session guide, a certificate of participation, and a day filled with meaningful discussion and community learning. If you've ever wanted to make your parent group meetings more effective or start a parent circle in your community, this is your chance to gain the tools and confidence to do it well. Spaces are limited, so don't wait. Register today. Call or WhatsApp us today.